No be to dey blush on top the name wey you steal for social media o, on top the name you stole, wey you use capital letter write for all your social media platform. No be to dey blush on top the stolen name o. Are you part of the family? Are you welcome? Did they accept you? Hey, God. Many questions dey wey we suppose ask Judy Austin. Judy just dey form one kind thing for over 3 years plus now. Judy just feel say na to use capital letter write Yul Edochie name for social media, name wey she steal. Na im people go come dey fear her say yes, she's truly Ijele Odogwu or she's truly Yul Edochie peace of mind. No, after 3 children, you are still not addressed as part of the Edochies. You are still not welcome in the family. Everybody dey threaten you to stay away from the Edochie. Is that not shame? Anyway, my people, Judy Austin is in panic. Judy in premium tears. Judy is in shame as she don receive the worst letter from the Edochie family. My people, things dey happen o. No be the few ones wey we dey see for social media. A lot is going on behind the scene. A lot dey happen between Judy and the Edochies. Una no ask Judy Austin why she remove the video abi na write-up when she take threaten Queen May Edochie, when she take accused her of witchcraft. Say Queen May and her coven members come attack her and her children for night. Say she should make that day her last time, else she will not return back alive. Una don see where witch dey call person witch. Judy posted that write-up on Instagram. She also posted it on Facebook. Una no ask where the write-up today, where the post, why Judy delete am. I say Judy has received the worst letter from the Edochies and even from Yul Edochie himself. What a shame. As a lady, please, no matter how desperate you are, please don't be seen where you are not welcome. Don't be seen where you are not accepted. Don't be seen where you are not loved. Because how which na by numbers of children wey woman dey born for man dey make family or even the man love am or accept am. I'm not sure say you sef go even dey where e dey today. I'm not sure say the Judy herself go even dey where she dey today. Despite all the tricks when she don use, all the strategy, everything when she don use just to be welcome or to be seen with the members of Edochie up till this moment, 2025 is about to end. Judy Austin is still not accepted by her supposed in-law. So, according to information, before I go dive in the matter, I'm gonna pardon my manner, make I first of all welcome all my amazing subscribers, my lovers, my supporters. God bless you all abundantly. My returnees, I don't take your support for granted. And if you are just coming across my video, my channel for the first time, this na Bazi News. Please support my ministry by subscribing to my YouTube channel. And make you not forget on the notification bell so that anytime when I just drop ogbonge updates like this, you will be the first to get notified. My people, as I was saying, they say the Edochies send letter, the worst letter any woman can ever receive in her life, because Judy is not part of the Edochies and they don't see her as one. They sent Judy Austin the worst letter of her life. They want Judy Austin to stay away from the Edochie's family because she has caused more harm than good. Since when Judy entered Yul Edochie life, it has been from one ups and down to another. It has been from one gbasgbos, one big problem to another. So the Edochies, they are not even proud to be recognized or known with Judy Austin. They don't want to be seen. They don't want people to even discuss them together. They don't tell when they want Judy Austin to please stay away from anything that has to do with the Edochies. Before Judy Austin carry her problem come out few days ago, say she dey want Queen May Edochie. She can pretend for God knows how long, but she knows say Queen May is not innocent, blah blah blah. With the write-up she put out there. They say before Judy Austin even came up with that post, the Edochies don't even first dey warn her. Say make she go address her cousin, make she go talk to her cousin Chi Jenny and Yinkolo Menta, because they know say they are in it together. Now Judy they give them what to do. Now Judy they manipulate them on what to write against Queen May Edochie children. They say they don't fair want Judy Austin to tell her cousin to desist from anything that has to do with Yul Edochie's children with Queen May. Say that they see all the things when they talk about those children. Those children are Yul's children. They are the Edochie's children. They not recognize Judy children as the Edochies. Up till today, they not see Star, Pete, and the Universe Storm as the Edochies. That was even what Judy was told allegedly few days before she come out with that post when she accused Queen May Edochie of witchcraft. And after that post, my people, they say no be small thing the Edochies use Judy Austin eye take see. This time around, they supported Queen May Edochie with their full chest. They have been in support of Queen May, even though say people they say na fake printers, na this, na that. You know, we saw how Link Edochie have been a good supporter to Queen May. Even Mama Rita Edochie. So they are part of the Edochies. They are the Edochies. So I see them as the Edochies supporting Queen May. Not just their children, but the ex-wife Queen May. They say even to the extent Yul Edochie warn Judy, because they say Judy self tell Yul, say see wetin he dream, see the kind attack when she gets. Yul warned her. Yul Edochie warned her that she should not put it out on social media, because when it comes to witchcraft, you don't have evidence. You cannot present evidence in court against the accused. Yul Edochie warned her. Judy begin say, now because you still love her, now because those one are your children. So the one when she born not be your children, abi you dey support them, blah blah blah. They say Judy and Yul had quarrel, big quarrel, before Judy now came out behind Yolo compost that thing. But the Edochies, they didn't take it lightly with Judy. Judy received the worst letter. Guys, if una see the threats, if una see wetin the Edochies use Judy Austin eye take see, now they don't tie Queen May children for Judy Austin bubu gown when she dey wear. If anything by mistake happen to them, and they don't even warn Judy, in her entire life, she should not in any way throw tantrums, throw shade to Queen May Edochie and her children again. She has no right as an intruder, as a woman who came to put asunder in another woman's home, to be even accusing her of witchcraft. Judy dey fear witchcraft attack. Now she go snatch person husband. In the first place, Judy need peace of mind. Now she scatter another woman peaceful home. It can't happen. Judy now come begin cry, say the family not love her right from the beginning, right from the onset. They not love her, they not accept her. You know, you born one, you born two, you born three. According to reports and rumor now spreading on internet that Judy is even pregnant for her fourth child. She don't turn baby making factory machine. And yet, the family still not acknowledge her. They not still recognize her. They not still want accept her, say, na their own. Even her children as well. They say Judy has been crying. She went to her Blue app. She deleted the post. She went to her IG. She deleted the post. Go and check. The post is no longer there. But the message has already been passed. Yes, internet doesn't forget anything. Judy now come dey accuse Yul Edochie and her family. Say, if anything still happen to her and her children, she go come hold them responsible. Say because they don't love her, they don't like her, that's why they are treating her like this. Whether she not get right to talk wetin she see, say she got an attack in the night. So you got an attack. You can't just feel say na the person when her face show, or the person, if it really happen, na that person I do am. Judy dey play. This is the worst thing a woman can see in her life. Imagine after you don't forcefully enter man life, at the end of the day, you are still not welcome. You are still not recognized. You are still not accepted. In shame. You still dey want the form odogu. You want the blush. You want the makeup, the face cat eyes. They come out the form, say you fine on top rented hair. Hair wey they give you for rent. Later now, they not go see this hair with you. You not get any source of income now. There's no way you can keep up with this forming lifestyle where you won't start. Anyway, I don't even see anything here. Maybe now the small money where they gather for your birthday, where in Kolo Meta go the post Augusta account. Maybe they don't see your gullible fans don't put small send money for you, Naira. Maybe now make you work on the Bugatti blush on top the stolen name when you use capital letter to write. No this and no peace. 100 years is not forever. It's just a matter of time. Everything go cool down and you go come out with your mouth. We can't wait. We can't wait. You go come out, come talk everything. This na Bazi News. Hit on the follow button. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. And remember to put up the post notification bell. Una know say Judy still get case for court o. 100 million naira lawsuit dey wait for Judy Austin for Adodo. Imagine you go snatch person husband, come still pay 100 million naira on top. Yet the husband and the family not still accept you. Omo, Judy, your shame wear you bubu gown. No wonder you dey wear bubu gown. He wear you bubu gown oversize.